Namaskar friends, in this video I'm going to review a blood pressure machine which is also called as BP machine. This machine is made by a brand named Omron, which is a very well-known brand in the health and fitness category. Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sanits.com, and let's get right into the features of this BP machine. The packaging is also done very nicely. In the box, we get a manual, warranty card, some promotional pamphlet, AA batteries, a belt, and the machine itself. The machine is powered by 4 AA batteries which they include in the box. And the machine also has a DC 6V slot in case you want to use it via an adapter directly from the power source. Adapter not included in the box. You will have to buy that separately. In spite being plastic, the machine is really built well with a glossy finish on the whole body except some matte texture near the stop and start button. Compared to the older Omron machine that we had, the belt is really very good. Overall, the machine looks premium. So as you can see in the video, the machine is extremely easy to use. It just comes with a single button which starts and stops the measuring process. Plus the reading also is not that complicated of a thing. On the top is your high blood pressure level, in the middle is your low blood pressure level, and finally at the bottom of it is the measurement for the pulse rate. That's it. Just connect the wire like this, wrap the belt and press the button and let the machine do its job. And in few seconds, the measure readings will be displayed on the screen. One important tip while using the blood pressure machine or any BP machine for that matter, stay in a relaxed sleeping posture with your head facing upwards. Breathe normally and don't talk while the machine is measuring. This will surely help you get measurements readings more towards accuracy. And talking about the accuracy of this machine, now many of you guys may have a question about how accurate are these BP machines if compared with the machines in the hospitals. When I talked with a local doctor and he said that these machines are not fully accurate. The reading can be up or down by 5 to 10%. Talking about my experience, everyone should get a machine like this in your home if you have got any elderly people staying with you. I myself am staying with 4 elderly people and this is our second Omron machine. Now, as you know that the world is struggling with a lot of health problems, in critical situations every second matters. And if you have got the technology in an affordable price, then why not making use of it? So that is it for this video. So if you're interested in buying this Omron machine, I have provided the links in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and Dhanyavad.